Hello again, Pietro here. We are once again in the car, not my car, my sister's car. Actually, it's a truck. Anyway, hello. So, I returned that SyncUP Tracker back to T-Mobile because, well, it didn't make sound. So they asked me to return it. But what I did is right before I put it in the box and sent it back to UPS, I fully charged it and I didn't turn it off. So I've been tracking it as it went back to wherever it's going. And I just got a notification that the battery life is down to 5%. I shipped it back last Saturday. So all day Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. 5 days, 5 full days. Let's take a look at the tracking information in real time through not GPS, but through the LTE signal that T-Mobile has on the SyncUP Tracker. So this is something new. The Apple, what's it called? The Apple AirTag is Bluetooth. The Tile is Bluetooth. The Samsung Smart Tag, also Bluetooth. And then there's probably another 30 Bluetooth trackers that all use Bluetooth. So SyncUP does LTE. Let's take a look at the app. Here we go. Okay, here we go. So we'll launch the SyncUP app. And it says lunchbox on Highway 287 1 hour ago. So now we click on the lunchbox and 5% battery life. Oh, that's looking good. Now I could freak out the driver and click the sound, but the sound doesn't work. But just in case somehow the sound started working, I'm not gonna do that. And now if I click on the map, it shows me exactly where it is, and apparently it's moving. I checked this the other day and it was not moving. It was just stuck somewhere in Montana. And now the device is in, oh wow, it's in Amarillo. Wow, it's on its way to Texas. That's pretty cool, Sarah. So it was in Montana yesterday, and it was just sitting in Montana for the longest time. And so I shipped it from Utah, went through Colorado, went up to Montana, and now it's in Amarillo. Well, sorry, my bad. It's in Oklahoma, and it's on its way south. Maybe, I don't know. Right now, it is sitting in Boise City, which is in kind of the corner. But pretty cool that you can track. So if someone stole your wallet or your keys, you could track the idiot that stole your device, and if they weren't stupid, if they were stupid enough not to turn it off, you could hunt them down. But you only have about 5 days to do it. But pretty cool that the battery life lasted this long. Now on purpose, I totally forgot actually that I could check, and I didn't think it would work because it's probably in some UPS or, actually yeah, UPS is who I shipped it through. I'm thinking I wouldn't lose it, but so here I am in, where am I? Am I in Utah still? No, I'm in Idaho right now. So I'm in Idaho right now, and my SyncUP Tracker is on Highway 287, heading to Texas. That's a bummer. I wish I could somehow like keep it going. Oh, I should just plugged it into like a thumb drive or like a portable charger. Well, I'll have to do this again. T-Mobile said they might send me another one to test. Well, actually, they wanted me to test another one, but I turned them down. So there you go. There's my live view of returning the SyncUP Tracker. Mainly, there were 2 reasons I returned it. One, when you're in the map, so let's say I do want to track this idiot down, there's no directions. So even if I did hop on a plane and fly out to Oklahoma, all right, so I was talking to my sister there. Say hi, Sarah. So, and we agree that if you have a tracking device,
you just told me.
Yeah, I told her, she didn't agree. If you have a tracking device, it has to be able to give you directions. Apple does that, Fitbit does that, Samsung a little bit. Apple's probably the best with directions I've seen so far, sort of. And they have that lost mode. Anyway, I digress like I normally do. So reason number one, I returned it. I didn't like that it didn't have directions. So if I was, let's say I did have it in a backpack, right? And I'm at a strange airport in Denmark, that's feasible. And someone steals my bag, I wouldn't be able to find them. It would just show Denmark address. I'm like, how do I get there? You know, anyway. The other reason I didn't like it, well, it didn't play the sound, and then I did some research online, and when it does play the sound, the audible sound is not very loud. But other than that, if they could fix those two things, I'd buy another SyncUP Tracker. I like the idea of being able to locate it anywhere and not having Bluetooth. And then if they can add a light, like an LED light that blinks, so you could find it in the dark near a busy street when you can't hear the sound anyway. And the other feature T-Mobile needs to add on the SyncUP Tracker, they need to make it Bluetooth as well. So if the battery got really low, then you could mark it as lost, and anyone else with the T-Mobile SyncUP app could help you find your lost keys, your lost wallet, your lost backpack. It's a lost feature that the Tile Trackers enabled probably 4 years ago. Yeah, Apple has a lost mode as well.
So I could help you find your stuff?
Yep. Yeah. Anyway, that's all I have to say. If you have any comments about the T-Mobile SyncUP Tracker, let me know. The device is still fresh in my head, but as of right now, I don't recommend it. The app is a little wonky, and I installed the app on both the phone I'm filming on, the iPhone 12 mini, and the OnePlus 9 Pro. Anything else, Sarah? That's all we got. Thank you so much for watching. I'll have another video sometime in the next 88 hours. 30 minutes, 33 minutes. No, I'm not gonna. 88 minutes? No. I'll post something else sometime in the next 24 hours. Thanks. Goodbye.